So we're now on day
10?
No, is it
11?
11. And because this morning Kirsten is having her big Hawaiian breakfast
At the McDonald's.
At the McDonald's, of all places, with her spam,
Portuguese sausage, and rice and eggs, I think. I can't remember now. It's been so long since I looked it up.
something like that.
It's not kosher.
Not kosher.
I don't want no birds landing in my food.
Good luck
Be
with that.
clear, no birds landing in my food.
What is that?
Portuguese sausage, spam, eggs, and rice. That's good.
Okay, so this is the famous surfboard alley. Many, many, many surfboards to look at, all locked up.
Waiting for the people to come back.
That is impressive.
It's pretty nice.
I feel myself going forward. It looks like they do in the Jurassic Park movie when the
Yeah.
like, oh my god, that's big. We're about to get stomped on.
I mean, even dinosaurs would have had trouble. I mean, they would be in the valleys. I mean, the dinosaurs couldn't come down the big fins of the volcano. I mean, in times of the dinosaurs, there were probably actual volcanoes, so there weren't that many trees.
But could they?
I was explaining mongooses to my mother on the phone this morning. She was like, "What is that?"
That must have gone over well.
I said, "They're the squirrels of Hawaii." What do they look like? Kind of like ferrets,
Long
a little bit.
squirrels, yeah, ferrety long.
And like they look
fast,
like tiny river otters or
agile.
large ferrets with heavy-duty tails. Hi, chickens. So you're gonna
Drive all the way out there. If Jesus could walk on water, why can't we drive out to the island?
I don't feel like that's a thing. Okay, that's too close. No, don't do that.
It's a rental.
Don't do that.
It's a rental. Without an itinerary today, we went to the zoo this morning.
Nice giraffe. Aardvark was a no-show. All we saw was his buns. But the bongo is amazing. The bongo, there's a very handsome bongo. Continued to pose for me. He was great.
I'm just gonna say I wasn't impressed.
You want animals that sit for portraits.
Well, yeah, the animals need to be not behind a fence, in good lighting, showing their right side. I mean, these were not cooperative animals at all.
They're low paid.
So since we had no agenda for the day,
We are on the east side, headed toward the north.
northeast side, yep. At the we pulled over at the Polynesian
Cultural
Center, for which Kirsten bought a bunch of stuff. The views driving up have been amazing. A lot of video of that.
Ready?
Oh my goodness. Oh my. Wow. That's quite the find.
I'm super excited about this.
That pointy end looks really like it could be a weapon.
Ask me what it's made of.
Something white and bony.
They're the tusks from a wild boar.
But of course.
Of course they are.
So, yeah, so we're going to keep driving. Wow.
Damn, them Mormons got some big sheep.
Holy
Look, they made a rotary, for fark's sake.
mackerel.
I'm sure glad we came to look at this for Karen. Are you filming this?
Of course I am.
Damn it! Holy Mormons! This is some... Okay, I don't know why any Mormons are living in Salt Lake, because this shit's nice. Gotta get under the schmutz.
Wow.
As a mongoose walk out. Did you see the mongoose run across the road?
Why the mongoose crossed the road?
Because he didn't want to be... That is another one! Slow down, slow down! Slow down, slow down! If you run over a mongoose, I will never speak to you again. For life. Swing around here. I'm getting a picture of this sheet. We ain't getting out. Don't put the coffee on, Mormons. We out. Holy damn.
Wow.
Holy damn.
That is amazing. Why doesn't RIT have a campus here?
Holy damn. Look at their LA street going here.
It looks like Karen Street.
It does. Karen, are you sure you don't live here?
You scream squirrel. It's not because you've seen something else. It's because you're about to kill us because there's a real squirrel.
Listen. I will break for a mouse if it runs across the road. It's an involuntary reaction. I can't stop it. It's like my...
What you have to do is not stop.
No.
You killed a worm this morning. That's enough. You're a murderer.
Let's not get into the worm situation. That was ridiculous anyway.
You terrorized that child.
They were at a zoo and they got excited about a worm.
You terrorized that child.
Worms are not zoo animals.
That kid is bound to go into therapy because of you.
God bless.
Did you call him Juber?
What?
Did you call it Juber?
Juber, go! What's your rate? Twice as a regular ride.
Exactly.
Twice Uber. I mean, Kahuna's name, my cat was named that because I always associated the word with surfing. A big kahuna. I've never seen a Gidget movie in my life.
Did your cat surf?
No, but Kahuna had the extra toes. So the whole surfing concept was you hang 10. So Kahuna had 23 toes. So I used to say he was the big Kahuna because he had so many toes to hang if he was a surfer. That was why I named him the Kahuna.
Nice.
Did not
Look
know.
at all we've learned today.
I know, I just learned the origin of the word Kahuna,
Things we learned today.
Things we learned today.
Not a lot of animals in the zoo.
Bongos are very handsome.
But there are not a lot of animals in the...
Mr. Impatient over here.
There was nothing in them cages. Especially the ones that had humans in the cages.
It was hot. And as always, most zoos have a little construction going on, so things.
Okay. What else did we learn today? We found where the Mormons are.
We did find the Mormons today.
That was exciting.
And frightening all at once. We found the Polynesian Cultural Center, which we didn't realize was there, but we had lunch over there and looked around a bit.
It was completely bigger than life and Disney-esque.
It's very, we did not go into the Polynesian Village. I've seen things about it. It sounds like a very Epcot-esque experience to learn about all of the Polynesian islands. But it's an all-day type of experience. The gift shop / eating area was very Disney-esque. Like, oh, you can get everything here. Yeah. But it may be very nice for families or someone. Yeah. If you are into going to something for the whole day and not doing multiple things, it would keep you busy for a whole day, I think.
Yes. We stopped by...
We went to the macadamia place.
Yep. And then made another quick stop to photograph some more surfers. And now we're on our way back. And hopefully I can find a new position for a good sunset, because drone is kaput. So no droning this trip at all. We had one drone shot at the very beginning, and now it's completely